Hello. Now we will do second exercise of proportion. In first exercise, what we had learned, okay, if A, B, C, and D are in proportion, then we can say A upon B is equal to C upon D. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, then A by B is equal to B by C. Here C is third proportion and B is mean proportion. Okay, you understood this? And when A, B, C, D are in proportion, this is fourth proportion. Now in second exercise, we will learn properties of proportion. We have 5 properties of proportion. I will explain you all properties and then we will do sums based on that properties. So first property is property of proportion. So properties of proportion, we have first property invertendo. Invertendo. The word invert say it's reciprocal. If we have A by B is equal to C by D, so then by invertendo I can write B by A is equal to D by C. We are just inverting the ratio on both sides. Inverse means reciprocal of the ratio. Second is alternando. Alternando में if we have A by B is equal to C by D, तो alternando में we can alter the terms. Alter the terms means we can change these two position. A and D ka position we can change. We can write D by B is equal to C by A, or we can change these two position also. B and C ka position also we can change. So then at that time A will remain as it is. A by C is equal to B by D. Most commonly we use this part. We just change this position. We can change only one diagonally position. First is invertendo. Invertendo में we are inverting. Alternando में we are changing the position diagonally. Third है we componendo. Compo word say it's addition. Componendo. Componendo में if we have A by B is equal to C by D, so componendo means adding one on both sides. If we are adding 1 to both ratio, what we will get? A plus B upon B, taking LCM, C plus D upon D. This is what componendo. Dividendo. Fifth is dividendo means subtracting 1. A by B is equal to C by D. We will subtract 1 on both sides. Minus 1 minus 1. So we can write A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. Now last is componendo dividendo. So for componendo dividendo, we are dividing both ratios. This divide by this. Let's write with black pen. A plus B upon B whole upon blue one. A minus B upon B. These two we are dividing and these two also we will divide. Is equal to C plus D upon D whole upon C minus D upon D. D and D will get cancelled, B and B will get cancelled. Finally, I will get A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. So, componendo dividendo में what we are doing, if we have numerator upon denominator, then numerator upon denominator. So, we can write numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator directly. So let us revise all. Let me erase first. So first property is invertendo. In invertendo, what we did, invertendo mein if we have A upon B is equal to C upon D, so then we can write B by A is equal to D by C. Most important property is three properties. First is invertendo, then it is alternando. Alternando mein we have A by B is equal to C by D. So then we can write A upon C is equal to B upon D, changing these two position. And third is componendo dividendo. These three properties we are going to use mostly in sums. Componendo and dividendo separately, there is no question for exercise, but in homework sheet I had given one or two questions related to componendo and dividendo question properties. Most important is componendo and dividendo. So in componendo dividendo, if we have A upon B, that is equal to C upon D. So by componendo you can add numerator plus denominator. See, A is numerator, B is denominator, is equal to A plus B upon A minus B, that is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. Always properties of proportion is applied on both sides. You cannot just apply properties of proportion on one side and second side keep as it is. You have to always apply on both sides. So this chapter is mostly based on componendo dividendo properties, this exercise. So we will start question. First question is, if 3x minus 5y is equal to 2x plus y, then find the value of this. So here what we will do, this question you can do by properties, property of proportion. So first I will collect like terms. 3x minus 2x is equal to y plus 5y. So 3x minus 2x is x is equal to 6y. So this x equal to 6y, I can write x by y is equal to 6 by 1. If you cross multiply, you are going to get this. Now check whose value you have to find. You have to find the value of 3x plus 5y upon 3x minus 5y. So x के साथ we have 3 and y coefficient is 5. So what I will do, I will multiply 3 by 5 on both sides. Multiplying 3 by 5 on both sides. This type of sum you have to do by properties only. Okay, if you are doing directly, you won't get marks. If you are just substituting x value as 6y over here, you will not get marks. When this type of question they ask using properties, solve. Otherwise it's very easy, just substitute x as 3y. So 3 into 3y plus 5y upon 3 into 3y minus 5y. See, 9y plus 5y, 14, 9, 3 3 is a 9, 9 plus 14. Wait, here x is 6y, sorry, not 3y. 6 3 is a 18, 18 plus 5, 23y upon 18 minus 5, 13y. Y cancel, you will get 23 by 13. That is the answer, but you cannot do with this method. You have to use properties. So property mein we are going to use componendo dividendo, because if you see the answer, it's in the form of a plus b upon a minus b pattern. So first we will multiply 3 by 5. Looking at the answer में x coefficient is 3 and y coefficient is 5. So we will multiply 3 by 5 on both side. So multiplying 3 by 5, so x by y into 3 by 5 is equal to 6 by 1 into 3 by 5. So let's write it properly. 3x by 5y is equal to 6 3 is 18 by 5. Now I will use componendo dividendo because we have plus in numerator and minus in denominator. Whenever you have this pattern, a by b equal to c by d is given, and a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. See, terms are same, only difference in sign. Here also we have same term but difference in sign. By componendo dividendo, you have to write reason. Without reason you are not going to get marks. We will write this is numerator 3x plus 5y, a plus b. Numerator is a and denominator is b. So it's a plus b upon a minus b. That is equal to, this is c and this is d. So c plus d, that is 18 plus 5 upon 18 minus 5. We want the value of this. So that is equal to 23 upon 13, which we get answer over here. After doing 5-6 question, now you will feel this is a very easy exercise. Next question is, we have a is to b is equal to c is to d. So we can write a upon b is equal to c upon d. Now check answer. What answer we want? We want 4a plus 9b upon 4c plus 9d is equal to 4a minus 9b upon 4c minus 9d. So if you will see, the coefficient with a is 4 and coefficient with b is 9. Same way with c and d. So what I will do, I will multiply 4 by 9 on both sides. Let's see what I am getting after multiply. So a by b into 4 by 9, so that I will get as 4a by 9b is equal to 4c by 9d. I got. Now I will use componendo dividendo on both sides. So by componendo dividendo, if you see, this is a by b pattern, and this is c by d pattern. So a by b ko we can write a plus b. So here I will write 4a plus 9b, means numerator is 4a and denominator is 9b. So numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator, that is equal to, again same part in right side, 4c plus 9d upon 4c minus 9d. Now you have to look at answer. Answer mein what we have? 4a plus 9b upon 4c plus 9d, means this term we need over here. So we have to swap these two terms. Okay. To swap these two terms we need alternando. We have to do alternando. Alternando mein we can swap diagonally. So we can write by alternando 4a plus 9b upon 4c plus 9d is equal to 4a minus 9b upon 4c minus 9d. Okay, by alternando we can do this. Third question is based on same pattern. We have a is to b, that can be written as a by b is equal to c by d, and we want this as a ratio. If you check 9a 13b, 9a minus 13b, 9c 13d, 9c minus 13d. So here what I will do, I will multiply 9 by 13 on both sides. So 9 by 13, if I am multiplying, I will get 9a by 13b is equal to 9c by 13d. Now, as you see in the answer, you have to always keep an eye on answer. Okay, what you want? We want 9a plus 13b, means it's a numerator plus denominator. So we will write by componendo dividendo. By componendo dividendo, we can write 9a plus 13b upon 9a minus 13b is equal to 9c plus 13d upon 9c minus 13d. Since answer is in the form of ratio, not a fraction, we cannot leave answer in fraction format. We have to convert that into the ratio. So I can write 9a plus 13b is to 9a minus 13b is equal to 9c plus 13d is to 9c minus 13d. Hope you understood this. Next question is also based on same pattern. Let's do. We have A is to B is equal to C is to D. So writing ratios in the fraction A by B is equal to C by D. Now check what you want. 3A 2B 3A 2B means plus minus, 3C 2D 3C 2D, again plus minus. So here what I will multiply? Multiply 3 by 2 on both sides. So multiplying 3 by 2, I will get 3a by 2b is equal to 3c by 2d. Since we want addition and subtraction of terms, that is numerator plus denominator on both sides and numerator minus denominator, so we will write by componendo dividendo. We can write 3a plus 2b upon 3a minus 2b is equal to 3c plus 2d upon 3c minus 2d. Now we want answer in the form of ratio. So if you are keeping answer in the form of fraction when ratios are asked, you may lose your marks. So always write answer in whatever required format is there in question. 3a plus 2b is to 3a minus 2b is equal to 3c plus 2d is to 3c minus 2d. Next question is the reverse of what we did in first four question. Now this type of question will continue till end. Okay. So from 5th to 25th question are all of same pattern. On so here we have if means it's given, and to prove means we have to find this. So we cannot use a by b is equal to c by d as a given value. What we will use, whatever is given that we will write. 3a plus 5b upon 3a minus 5b is equal to 3c plus 5d upon 3c minus 5d. This is given. So what we will say? We will say numerator is, this is a, this is b, this is c, and this is d. As we know, if we have a by b is equal to c by d pattern, so by componendo dividendo I can write a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. Mostly when we have same terms but with opposite sign, we are going to use componendo dividendo throughout the chapter. So here what I will do, I will use same thing, componendo dividendo. So by componendo and dividendo. So numerator is what? A is here 3a. So I can write 3a plus 5b plus 3a minus 5b whole upon 3a plus 5b minus 3a minus 5b is equal to 3c plus 5d plus 3c minus 5d whole upon 3c plus 5d minus 3c minus 5d. If you notice, what is this? This is nothing but a plus b. See, this bracket is b and first bracket is a. Same value we have over here, but instead of plus we have minus here. It's like a minus b. Here we have c plus d pattern, c minus d pattern. So its componendo dividendo we will consider whole numerator as a and whole denominator as b. So a plus b means whole numerator plus whole denominator. You should keep it in bracket. Now solving bracket, what you will get, 3a plus 5b plus 3a minus 5b. Numerator I won't solve any, means if it is plus we cannot change sign. Now denominator mein we have minus 3a plus 5b minus 3a minus minus will give you plus 5b. See, this minus and this minus will change sign, is equal to 3c plus 5d plus 3c minus 5d upon 3c plus 5d minus 3c minus 5d. As you see, I can cancel 5b and 5b here. I can cancel 3a and 3 over here. Here I can cancel 5d and 5d. Just you can note down the color of the alphabet. 5b and 5b is blue, that is cancelled. I had given color combination for that. 3a and 3a over here is, see, different color, so it get cancelled. Here 3c and 3c, here I didn't change sign. I have to change sign. So 3c and 3c will get cancelled. Okay. So what is left that I have to write? Here left is 3a plus 3a 6a upon 10b is equal to 6c upon 10d. You know you can cancel on same side. If you bring this 6 by 10 on the other side, so you will get a by b is equal to 6c by 10d into 10 by 6. So this will get cancelled, this and this will get cancelled. No need to do all this stuff. You can just cancel out these two part on both sides. 6 and 6 will get cancelled, 10 and 10 will get cancelled. So you will get a by b is equal to c by d. Just we had multiplied 6 by 10 in previous question, 6 by 10 on both sides. Here we can divide, here we can multiply 10 by 6 on both sides also. It's the same pattern, but you have to write that if you have to do that method. Otherwise you can cancel 6 6 on both sides, 10 10 on both sides. So therefore you will get a is to b is equal to c is to d. Okay. Next question is also of same type. We have 4a square plus 7b square upon 4a square minus 7b square. While writing question you should know कि a and b, numerator में we have ab and denominator में we have ab, but terms are totally same but signs are different. So whenever you have this pattern question, you can always do componendo dividendo. So componendo dividendo में numerator is this part plus denominator is this. So we will write numerator, that is a plus b. B is denominator, 4a square minus 7b square whole upon 4a square plus 7b square. In between I have to write minus 4a square minus 7b square, that is equal to, for right side same way, 4c square plus 7d square plus 4c square minus 7d square whole upon 4c square plus 7d square minus 4c square minus 7d square. Everything as it is. It's numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Same way here, numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. Now open bracket. you will get 4a square plus 7b square plus 4a square minus 7b square. Denominator में while opening the bracket, while solving the bracket, you should know this minus will affect this bracket always. 4a square plus 7b square minus 4a square minus minus plus 7b square is equal to 4c square plus 7d square plus 4c square minus 7d square 4 upon 4c square plus 7d square minus 4c square minus minus plus 7 e square. Now let's cancel out whatever term you can. This is a square, 4c square, 4c square, 7d square, 7d square. So now left is 4 plus 4, 8a square upon 14b square is equal to 8c square upon 14d square. You can cancel 8 and 14 on both sides. So therefore you can get a square by b square is equal to c square by d square. Now what I will do, I will take square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. When you take square root on both sides, so you will get a by b is equal to plus minus c by d. But we don't require, we have to check answer, we don't need minus. So what I will do, I will not write only, I will not write this plus minus. What I will do, I will just write a by b is equal to c by d. I can write taking square root on both sides, I can write a by b is equal to c by d. Hence we got, so therefore in ratio format a is to b is equal to c is to d. Okay, you have to always write the final format which is given in question. Next question is based on same pattern. We have MA plus NB upon MC plus ND. MA minus NB upon MC minus ND. So if you will notice here numerator has A and B and denominator has C and D. But when you do componendo dividendo in this type of question, we should have same term in numerator and denominator except for sign. Only sign difference should be there. So here what we will do, here you will first swap this term by taking alternando. So I will write by alternando. I can swap this term MA plus NB upon MA minus NB is equal to MC plus ND upon MC minus ND. This is by alternando. Now we want A is to B is equal to C is to D. So again we will do componendo dividendo. To do componendo dividendo, we will write numerator MA plus NB plus denominator MA minus NB whole upon again numerator MA plus NB minus denominator MA minus NB, that is equal to MC plus ND plus MC minus ND whole upon MC plus ND minus MC minus ND. So solving bracket, you will get MA plus NB plus MA minus NB. As it is, denominator we can write MA plus NB minus MA minus minus plus NB is equal to MC plus ND plus MC minus ND whole upon MC plus ND minus MC minus minus plus ND. If you see, these terms will get cancelled, NB and NB will get cancelled, MA and MA will get cancelled. Here I can cancel ND, ND, MC, MC because it has opposite sign. Plus minus sign get cancelled. Whatever is there, whatever is left, just write it down. 2MA, MA plus MA is 2MA, NB plus NB is 2NB, which is equal to 2MC if you note down this part upon 2ND. So you can cancel MA and MA on both sides, ND and 2N and 2N, both side 2M and 2M on both sides. Whatever is left, let's write. So therefore we will get A by B is equal to C by D. So therefore I can write final statement as A is to B is equal to C is to D. Next question, again same pattern. This is a quite simple question. 5x plus 6y upon 5x minus 6y. This exercise is very important. 5u plus 6v upon 5u minus 6v. You have to find x by y is equal to u upon v. So we will take directly, we will take by componendo dividendo. We will write numerator, that is 5x plus 6y plus denominator 5x minus 6y whole upon 5x plus 6y minus 5x minus 6y. Same way to the right, 5u plus 6v plus 5u minus 6v whole upon 5u plus 6v minus 5u minus 6v. This is componendo dividend. Hope you understood. We are taking numerator and denominator. So numerator में we will take numerator plus denominator. See, numerator is this part. I had written with purple and red. If you just see on the left side, this part. See, purple is numerator and red is denominator. So purple plus red, purple minus red. That denotes its componendo dividendo. A plus B upon A minus B. I had just written with a color combination so that you can easily understand what I did. Color is just for your guidance. Okay, what I am doing. Purple is numerator. So I am writing numerator first and denominators next part mein. In both numerator and denominator, numerator should be first. See, 5x plus 6. In both cases mein we have 5x plus 6 first, or either ka other side, right side mein numerator is 6u plus v. Both side is same. After plus minus we have denominator. So you have to remember, if we have numerator plus denominator, so I can write numerator plus d n minus d on both side. Numerator. So now we will just open bracket 5x plus 6y plus 5x minus 6y whole upon 5x plus 6y minus 5x minus into minus is plus 6y, which is equal to 5u plus 6v plus 5u minus 6v whole upon 5u plus 6v minus 5u minus minus plus 6v. So cancelling all like terms, minus 6y plus 6y will get cancelled, 5x will get cancelled, 6v will get cancelled, 5u and 5u will get cancelled. So left part, 5x plus 5x is 10x, 6y plus 6y is 12y, 10u upon 12v. So as we can cancel same term on both sides, we can write therefore x by y is equal to u by v, hence proved. Now this is an important question. Next 3 to 4 sums are related to this pattern. Okay, just listen this question properly and do next question by yourself and then go through videos. We have solved for x, means here we have to find value of x. Given is 3x plus root of 9x square minus 5 upon 3x minus root of 9x square minus 5, that is equal to 5 upon 1. We can apply properties of proportion when we have both side, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, see, in both side we have fraction in which we have numerator and denominator. So let's write by componendo dividendo and dividendo. Numerator is 3x plus root of 9x square minus 5. This is numerator, plus denominator. Denominator is 3x minus root of 9x square minus 5 whole upon same part, 3x plus root of 9x square minus 5 minus 3x minus root of 9x square minus 5, that is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 5 minus 1. So now solving bracket, you will get 3x plus root of 9x square minus 5 plus में we don't change sign, 3x minus root of 9x square minus 5 whole upon denominator में we will write same, 3x plus root of 9x square minus 5, and here we have minus. See, here instead of plus here we have minus. When we have minus, this sign will change, this minus will get changed. We can write minus 3x minus minus plus 9x square minus 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6 upon 4. So now let's cancel out whatever we can. This term and this term will get cancelled because it has plus minus sign over here. See, here we have plus and minus. So now this term will also get cancelled, minus and plus, because here we have minus and this is nothing, means plus. Now whatever is left, let's write it down. 3x plus 3x is 6x upon root of 9x square minus 5 into root of 9x square minus 5. If you write root x plus root x, you had learned last year, that is 2 root x. So same way I can write 2 root of 9x square minus 5, that is equal to 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 by 2. Here I can cancel again 3. If you want to make it easy, you can again cancel these 3 and these 3. So whatever is left, let's write x upon root of 9x square minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Taking square root, first let's cross multiply. We will get 2x is equal to root of 9x square minus 5. Take squaring on both sides. So this 2x will become 4x square, and square root we can remove, 9x square minus 5. Now solving as per the equation rule, 9x square minus 4x square, 5 is equal to 5x square. So x square is equal to 1, x is equal to plus minus 1. So x value can be plus minus 1. Next question, again same pattern में है. Here we have to find the value of x. So we have root of a plus x plus root of a minus x whole upon root of a plus x minus root of a minus x, that is equal to b upon 1. Now we have same term in numerator and denominator, so we will write by componendo and dividendo. So we can write numerator, that is root of a plus x plus root of a minus x plus root of a plus x minus root of a minus x whole upon root of a plus x plus first numerator part minus and denominator root of a plus x minus root of a minus x. This you have to take care that numerator, while writing componendo and dividendo, numerator is always first. Here also I will write b. B is numerator, so b plus 1 and b minus 1. Now let's open bracket. Root of a plus x plus root of a minus x plus root of a plus x minus root of a minus x whole upon root of a plus x plus root of a minus x minus root of a plus x, then minus and minus, this sign will change, it will become plus, is equal to b plus 1 upon b minus 1. These two terms will get cancelled. You can write root a plus x plus root a plus x is 2 root a plus x upon 2 root a minus x is equal to b plus 1 upon b minus 1. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now whatever term is left, that you have to write, and we will take square on both sides to remove this square root. To remove square root, we will take squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we will get a plus x upon a minus x is equal to b plus 1 whole square upon b minus 1 whole square. So इसको we can do in next page. We will first write identity. What we have, let me check. A plus x upon a minus x, a plus x upon a minus x is equal to b plus 1 upon b minus 1 whole square. So if b plus 1 का square is plus 1. Now here again, if you will notice, we have two fractions, barabar, two fractions on both sides, and both has same term with opposite sign. So here again we will take by componendo dividendo. By componendo and dividendo. So we can take x plus a minus x whole upon a plus x minus a minus x is equal to b square plus 2b plus 1 plus b square minus 2b plus 1 whole upon b square plus 2b plus 1. Here we will write minus b square minus 2b plus 1. Now let's open bracket. A plus x plus a minus x. When you open bracket, make sure you are changing sign. B square plus 2b plus 1 plus b square minus 2b plus 1 whole upon b square plus 2b plus 1 minus b square plus 2b minus 1. See, sign got changed over here and here. Now cancelling x and a, you will get 2a upon 2x is equal to, here I can cancel these two part, b square and b square will get cancelled, 1 and 1 will get cancelled. So 2b square plus 2 upon 4b, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So a by x is equal to 2 common b square plus 1 upon 4b. Here again we can cancel. Therefore cross multiply 2ab, here cross multiply, is equal to x into b square plus 1. So value of x is 2ab upon 2ab upon b square plus 1. So x value is, this type of question may come for 4 marks. Hope you understood this. This is quite lengthy question. This was quite lengthy question, but it's quite simple also. You have to just take 2 times componendo and dividendo. Next question, again same pattern. What we have? Root of x plus 2 plus root of x minus 3 whole upon root of x plus 2 minus root of x minus 3 is equal to 5 by 1. We have to prove that x is 6. So what we will do, we will take componendo dividendo because terms are same. So by componendo and dividendo. Root of x plus 2 plus root of x minus 3 plus root of x plus 2 minus root of x minus 3 whole upon root of x plus 2 plus root of x minus 3 minus x plus 2 minus root of x minus 3 is equal to, on right side I can write 5 plus 1 upon 5 minus 1. So here you have to open bracket, root of x plus 2 plus root of x minus 3 plus root of x plus 2 minus root of x minus 3 whole upon root of x plus 2 plus root of x minus 3 minus root of x plus 2 minus minus, this minus minus will become plus, is equal to 6 by 4. As you see, you can cancel this two term. You will get root x plus 2 plus root x plus 2, 2 root x plus 2 upon 2 root x minus 3 is equal to 6 by 4. I can write 2 2s are 2 3s are. So that can be written as 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 get cancelled. Now what I will do, I will square on both sides. So when I am squaring on both sides, I will get x plus 2 upon x minus 3 is equal to 9 by 4. Now cross multiply, because we don't have same term in numerator and denominator. We have different. We have x plus 2 upon x minus 3. If you have term x plus 2, x plus 3 upon x minus 3, then we have to again take componendo dividendo. But we have different terms, so we'll just cross multiply. 4x plus 8 is equal to 9x minus 27. So we will write 8 plus 27 is equal to 9x minus 4x. So 35 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to 7. So x value is 7. Question 12. Again same pattern. If root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16 upon root of x plus 5 minus root of x minus 16 is equal to 7 by 3, you have to prove x is equal to 20. Means in short, you have to find value of x as 20. So again we have same term in numerator and denominator. So we will take by componendo dividendo. Numerator, that is root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16 plus root of x plus 5 minus root of x minus 16 whole upon root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16 minus, only difference is this two sign, plus minus, x plus 5 minus root of x minus 16, that is equal to 7 plus 3 upon 7 minus 3. Now let's solve bracket. Root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16 plus root of x plus 5 minus root of x minus 16 whole upon root of x plus 5 plus root of x minus 16 minus root of x plus 5 minus and minus, this minus and this minus will change sign, it will become plus root of x minus 16, that is equal to 10 upon 4. This two term will get cancelled. You will get 2 root of x plus 5 upon 2 root of x minus 16 is equal to 2 2s are 2 5s are. So you will get that as 5 by 2. 2 2 will get cancelled. Whatever is left, just write it down. It's here. Now squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides will give you x plus 5 upon x minus 16. Square root will go on the other side. 5 will become 25 upon 2 square is 4. Now what you will do, you have to cross multiply that terms. Cross multiplication we can write 4 bracket x plus 5 is equal to 25 bracket x minus 16. Multiply 4x plus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 25x minus 15 or 25 into 16. 16 5s are 88, 16 2s are 32, 40, 400. So it is 400. Now we will shift 400 plus 20. 400 plus 20 is equal to 25x minus 4x. 420 is equal to 21x, x is equal to 20. So we got answer. Again same pattern question. You have to just do componendo dividendo. Question is 3x plus root of 2x minus 1 whole upon root of 3x minus root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 5 upon 1. You have to show that x is equal to 3 by 2. So take by componendo dividendo. Numerator, that is 3x plus denominator 2x minus 1 plus 3x minus root of 2x minus 1 upon root of 3x plus root of 2x minus 1. When you are taking minus over here, next sign will change. This minus and again minus will change to plus. Hope you understood now. We did many sums based on this pattern. 5 plus 1 upon 5 minus 1. These two terms will get cancelled. As you see, it has plus minus. Now what we will get, 3x plus 3x is root 3x plus root 3x is 2 root 3x upon 2 root 2x minus 1. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This is 6 upon 5 plus 1 6, 5 minus 1 4, that is 2 by 3. Now again what we will do, we will square on both sides. Squaring on both sides will give you 3x. Here root will go. Here also root we can remove. 2x minus 1, that is 9 by 4. Since terms in numerator and denominator is not same, we will just cross multiply. 4 into 3x is equal to 9 bracket 2x minus 1. So 4 3s are 12x. 9 2s are 18x minus 9. So shifting 9 on other side, 18x minus 12x. So 9 is equal to 6x. So x is equal to 9 upon 6, that is 3 by 2. So you get answer as 3 by 2. Now this type of questions are also important proof. In 2020 we got this type of question. I will tell you which exact question we got. It is there in exercise. I think so it's 15th or 16th question. So here we have x is equal to root of 2a. This is quite lengthy question. You have to prove x square minus 4ax plus 1 equal to 0. So let us write x by 1. If it is x, we can take x by 1. So numerator, see here I wrote numerator with purple sign and denominator purple color, denominator with red color. So we will take by componendo dividendo. So x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to root of 2a plus 1 plus root of 2a minus 1 plus root of 2a plus 1 minus root of 2a minus 1 whole upon 2a plus 1 plus root of 2a minus 1. Here I will write minus. when you write minus, take care that you are changing sign for other term. See, I had written this as second step over. This step is similar to, is same as this. This step you can write by yourself, putting both terms in bracket. It's not compulsory, but it's for the student who don't change sign. Now this is x plus 1 upon x minus 1. We get root of 2a plus 1 plus root of 2a plus 1, that is 2 root of 2a plus 1, and denominator you will get 2 root of 2a minus 1, cancelling 2 and 2 and removing square root by taking square on both sides. So I can write x plus 1 whole square upon x minus 1 whole square is equal to 2a plus 1 upon 2a minus 1. Now taking componendo dividendo again, but before that we will put identity over here, x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2a plus 1 upon 2a minus 1. Now we will take componendo dividendo. Let's do it in another page. Okay, let me write by componendo and dividendo. I can write here, but I don't think so it will fit. Let's do on next page. It is x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 1 whole upon x square plus 2x plus 1. Here I will write minus x square minus minus plus 2x minus 1. Right hand side I need to check 2a plus 1. 2a plus 1 plus 2a minus 1 whole upon 2a plus 1. Here if I am taking minus, I can write 2a plus 1, changing sign. This you can go through over here. See, here I had written whole step properly. All steps are written properly. Now cancelling 2x and 2x on both. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 1 is 2 upon 4x is equal to 2a upon, sorry, 2a plus 2a is 4a upon 2. So here I can cancel 2 ones are 2 2s are. From numerator I can take out 2 common, that is x square plus 1 upon 4x. 2 ones are 2 2s are, so I get 2a. So therefore last step I can write as x square plus 1 upon 2x is equal to 2a. Cross multiplying you will get x square plus 1 is equal to 2ax. 2ax you can shift inside. Sorry, it's 4ax. Is equal to 0. So we got answer. It's plus. Sorry, here we have minus. If you are shifting 4ax inside, you will get minus over here. So you get final answer what we want. Just check, we want x square minus 4ax plus 1. We got the same part. Now next question is also of same type, similar pattern question. Here we have x is equal to root of b plus 3a plus root of b minus 3a whole upon root of b plus 3a minus root of b minus 3a. Let's put this as x by 1. We want this thing. 3ax square minus 2bx plus 3a is equal to 0. So again we will take same pattern by componendo dividendo. We can write x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. This step you can write by yourself. I will just write without a bracket. X plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to root of b plus 3a plus root of b minus 3a plus root of b plus 3a minus root of b minus 3a whole upon b plus 3a plus root of b minus 3a minus b plus 3a minus minus will become plus. These two terms will get cancelled. These two terms will get cancelled. So I can write x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 2 root of b plus 3a, just adding both root, 2 root of b minus 3a. 2 will get cancelled, and removing square root we have to square on both sides. So I can write x plus 1 whole square upon x minus 1 whole square is equal to b plus 3a upon b minus 3a. Now we will write identity x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to b plus 3a upon b minus 3a. Now what we will do, we will use componendo dividendo again. So when we are using componendo dividendo for this term, numerator and denominator, we have to add or subtract. So I can write x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 1 whole upon x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square minus minus plus 2x minus 1, that is equal to b plus 3a. b plus 3a plus b minus 3a whole upon b plus 3a, here I have to write minus minus plus 2x and 2x will get cancelled, x square will get cancelled, 1 and 1 will get cancelled, 3a will get cancelled, all this term will get cancelled. Whatever is left, just write it down. See, x square plus x square, that is 2x square, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is plus 2, 2x square upon 2x plus 2x, that is 4x is equal to 2b upon 3a plus 3a is 6a. So taking out 2 common from numerator, x square plus 1 upon 4x, 2 ones are 2 threes are b upon 3a. This I can cancel. So now cross multiply I can write 3a bracket x square plus 1 is equal to 2bx. So 3a x square plus 3a is equal to 2bx. 2bx you can shift inside. Is equal to 0. See, this is the same pattern what we want. Next question. Same pattern. Everything is same way you have to do. Just go through it. We are doing, I will be doing in short form way. Question is x is equal to root of 2a plus 3b plus root of 2a minus 3b whole upon root of 2a plus 3b minus root of 2a minus 3b. So here what I will do, we will use componendo dividendo, same what we did. This is x by 1. So I can write x plus 1 upon x minus 1. By componendo dividendo you have to write result. This is equal to root of 2a plus 3b plus root of 2a minus 3b plus root of 2a plus 3b minus root of 2a minus 3b whole upon, this is componendo, ये numerator है, this is numerator and this is denominator. We have to put plus in between numerator and denominator. Then same part, numerator, that is 2a plus 3b plus 2a minus 3b. Here I will put minus 2a plus 3b minus it will become plus 2a minus 3b. These two terms will get cancelled. You will get x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to root of 2a plus 3b plus root of 2a plus 3b, that is equal to 2 root of 2a plus 3b. Denominator में we will add these two. So you can get 2 root of 2a minus 3b. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. To remove square root, I have to take square on both sides. X plus 1 whole square upon x minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 2a plus 3b upon 2a minus 3b. Now taking identity, writing down identity, x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2a plus 3b upon 2a minus 3b. Now we will take component or dividend again. So x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square. This is numerator. First part is numerator. See, it's written with purple over here. Purple plus red. Red is denominator. Minus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square minus it's plus 2x minus 1. That is equal to 2a plus 3b plus 2a minus 3b whole upon 2a plus 3b minus 2a minus 3b. Let's cancel out what we can. 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Same, everything is same. In the previous sum also we did same pattern question. Now whatever is left, let's write it down. X square plus x square was 2x square plus 2 upon 4x, that is equal to 2a plus 2a 4a upon 6b. So we can take out 2 common, that is x square plus 1 upon 2x, 2 into 2x. So 2 will get cancelled. Here also I can cancel 2 and 3. So that is 2a upon 3b. Cross multiply 3b into x square plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 4ax multiply 3b x square plus 3b is equal to 4ax. Now check pattern in question. Okay, what pattern you want? 4ax we want in center, in between is equal to 0. This is what we want. Next question. This is important question. It's related to cube. Till now whatever sum we did, there was a square in it, but here we have cube. So in this question we have x upon 1 is equal to cube root of m plus 1 plus cube root of m minus 1 whole upon cube root of m plus 1 minus cube root of m minus 1. So here what we will do, since terms are same, we are going to take component or dividendo for this. We will just write component or dividendo x plus 1 upon x minus 1, that is equal to cube root of m plus 1 cube root of m minus 1 plus in between, this is plus, then cube root of m plus 1 minus cube root of m minus 1 whole upon cube root of m plus 1 plus cube root of m minus 1. Now we are taking minus. Here if we take minus cube root of m plus 1, this sign will change, it will become plus. Best you write this step first and then open it. We can cancel this term and this term will get cancelled. this and this term will get cancelled. So I will get x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to root of cube root of m plus 1 in plus cube root of m plus 1. So 2 cube root of m plus 1 upon 2 cube root of m minus 1. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now instead of squaring, we will cube on both sides. Cubing on both sides will give me x plus 1 whole cube upon x minus 1 whole cube is equal to m plus 1 upon m minus 1. Now for cube identity, just refer to the formula sheet. In that we have all identities. For your information, I will write a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So solving this bracket, you will get a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now same way a minus b whole cube के लिए we will write a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. This you had done last year in expansion chapter. Cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. ठीक है. Now we will put identity over here. X cube plus 3 x cube plus 1 plus 3x square plus 3x, this identity, upon x cube minus 1 minus 3x square plus 3x is equal to m plus 1 upon m minus 1. Now again we will use by componendo dividendo. It's written on your left side. So x cube plus 1 plus 3x square plus 3x. Now we will write plus in between and denominator x cube minus 1 minus 3x square plus 3x whole upon x cube plus 1 plus 3x square plus 3x. Here I will write minus x cube. Now sign will change. Plus 1 plus 3x minus 3x square minus 3x. Do not make any mistakes here. I did plus minus. That is equal to m plus 1 plus m minus 1 upon m plus 1 minus m plus 1. Sign will change. Now let's cancel out. What I can cancel? Plus 1 minus 1 I can cancel. Minus 3x square plus 3x square will get cancelled. Denominator में we can cancel x cube and 3x cancel. Here minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled and minus m plus m will get cancelled. Now what is left? X cube plus x cube is 2x cube. Let's write behind. We'll get 2x cube. 3x plus 3x is 6x upon denominator mein we have 3x square plus 3x square is 6x square plus 1 is 2, that is equal to 2m upon 2. So here I can cancel 2 and 2. Now numerator mein se I can take out 2 common, that is x cube plus 3x, 2 common 3x square plus 1. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, that is equal to m. Now cross multiply. X cube plus 3x is equal to m. Multiply by this, we can cross multiply. 3x square plus 1. So x cube plus 3x is equal to 3mx square plus m. Now shift according to what you want in answer. X cube minus 3mx square minus m, all terms to the left side, is equal to 0. This is what we want. This sum has the same pattern as the previous one, but here we have cube. We were cubing on both sides. Next question. This is quite big question, that's why I left page. For this we have given a plus 3b plus 2c plus 6d upon a minus 3b plus 2c minus 60 is equal to a plus 3b minus 2c minus 60 upon a minus 3b minus 2c plus 60. So here what I will do, I will take directly componendo dividendo. So for that I will write numerator a plus 3b plus 2c plus 6d, keeping in bracket, plus a minus 3b plus 2c minus 60 whole upon again a plus 3b plus 2c plus 60 minus a minus 3b plus 2c minus 60, that is equal to, now another side in bracket, let's write in bracket so that we can avoid mistakes or sign mistake, minus 2c minus 60 plus a minus 3b minus 2c plus 60 whole upon a plus 3b minus 2c minus 60. Here I can write minus a minus 3b minus 2c plus 60. Now let's open bracket. So what I will get, this is by componendo dividendo. You can write reason for that. A plus 3b plus 2c plus 60 plus a minus 3b plus 2c minus 60 upon denominator में you have to be very cautious while removing the bracket. Here I have minus a minus minus 3b plus minus 2c. See, when I am solving this, all signs in the bracket will change accordingly. Is equal to numerator में we can easily open bracket, a plus 3b minus 2c minus 60 minus, now I will change all signs from this bracket, plus 3b plus 2c minus 60. Let's see how it get cancelled. Here I can cancel 3b and 60. Same way I can cancel here 3b and plus minus 60, and in denominator I can cancel a and 2c. Same way it will get cancelled on other side. Now whatever is left, let's write a plus a. This is a, so that is 2a, 2c plus 2c, that is 4c. Denominator में 3b plus 3b, that is 6b plus 6d plus 6d, that is 12d, is equal to, same way, 2a minus 4c. If you will check, a is 2a, minus 2c minus 2c is minus 4c upon 3b, 3b is 6b minus 6d, and 6d is minus 12d. So here I will do, first I will take out 2 common from numerator, a plus 2c, 6 common from denominator, b plus 2d, 2 common, a minus 2c upon 6 common, b minus 2d. So as you see, I can cancel 6 and 6, 2 and 2. So I will get a plus 2c upon b plus 2d is equal to a minus 2c upon b minus 2d. So now what I will do, again if I am doing alternando, so by alternando what I will get, a plus 2c upon a minus 2c. You have to write all reasons, as I don't have space. Let me write then also, by alternando is equal to b plus 2d upon b minus 2d. If you now see terms are same with opposite sign, so again we will do by componendo dividendo. A plus 2c, let's not write bracket as there is no space. You can write that bracket for a step. A plus 2c minus a, and then I will change sign. B plus 2d plus b minus 2d upon b plus 2d minus b plus 2d. So here I can cancel 2c, here I can cancel a, same way on right side. So what I will get, 2a upon 4c is equal to 2b upon 4d. So here I can cancel 2 and 2, 4 and 4. So I will get therefore a by c is equal to b by d. Again I have to do alternando by all, because we want in answer we want a by b. So alternando a upon b is equal to c upon d. Hope you understood this sum properly. Next page, pause the video, write down in next page I had written in the proper format with all steps. Just go through these steps. In this question we are taking 2 times componendo dividendo and 1 time alternando. Oh sorry, 2 times alternando. See here we took alternando, then again componendo dividendo. Next step में here alternando, hence we get final answer. So if you take care of the signs now, then this is very simple and you have to just understand the logic. Okay, while doing componendo dividendo, terms should be same. See here if you notice, okay, what we have, a plus 2c and a minus 2c, but before doing alternando we had ac term के नीचे denominator में we have bd term. So we have to change this pattern. See I had given with a green letter, green color. Okay. So try to understand color combination. Color combination shows के what I am doing. Here opposite में I take green color. So it's cross में we are changing the terms. Here numerator is purple, denominator is red. So componendo dividendo. चलो next, go to next question. Next question is of same type. Here same pattern का question है. So here we will do directly componendo dividendo. So by componendo and dividendo, numerator 2a plus 2b minus 3c minus 3d, now adding plus 2a minus 2b minus 3c plus 3d all upon 2a plus 2b minus 3c minus 3d. Here I will take minus because numerator gets over here, minus, then denominator में I have to change sign. My 2a minus का I can make 2b plus 2b plus 3c minus 3d. Main important is this part, otherwise all terms are relative same. Now right side, a plus b minus 4c minus 4d plus a minus b minus 4c plus 4d. This is again numerator plus denominator. Now numerator again, this part is totally same. See numerator ये वाला part is totally same this. Okay, now once you are writing minus, here I have plus, here I have to write minus. When I am writing minus, all these signs will change. Minus का it will become plus, plus 4c minus 4d. Now let's cancel out the positive negative term. 2b plus 2b minus 2b plus 3d minus 3d will get cancelled, 2a minus 2a, then plus 3c minus 3c. Same pattern में we can cancel on right side, plus b minus b, 4d cancel, a and a will get cancelled, plus 4c minus 4c will get cancelled. Now what is left? 4a minus 6c upon 4b minus 6d is equal to 2a minus 8c upon 2b minus 8d. So taking out 2 common, you will get 2a minus 3c upon 2 common, 2b minus 3d is equal to 2 common, a minus 4c upon 2 common, b minus 4d. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now if you are taking alternando, so still what we are getting, 2a minus 3c, if a minus 4c is equal to 2b minus, this will come over here, this 2 we are swapping the place. If we are doing we are doing alternando, then again we can't do componendo dividendo with this case, because numerator and denominator don't have the similar value. It should have same values, but only sign should differ. So in this case what I will do, I won't do alternando. Whatever is left, I will just cross multiply that term. Here whatever is left, 2a minus 3c upon 2b minus 3d is equal to a minus 4c upon b minus 4d. So here what I will do, I will simply cross multiply. 2a minus 3c into b minus 4d is equal to a minus 4c into 2b minus 3d. So now multiplying 2a into b is 2ab minus 4 2s are 8ad minus 3bc, always write in alphabetic form, plus 3 4s are 12cd is equal to, let me write down, 2ab minus 3ad, now this 2 minus 4bc plus 12cd. So if you notice, this 2ab and 2ab I can cancel, 12cd and 12cd I can cancel. Now whatever is left, I will write that minus 8ad minus 3bc is equal to minus 3ad minus, here I have to write, I think so it's 8bc. So now what I will do, ad I can shift here and bc I can shift here. So I will get 8bc minus 3bc is equal to 8ad minus 3ad. So that is equal to 5bc is equal to 5ad. 5 and 5 will get cancelled, so I can write AD is equal to BC. So that can be written as A by B is equal to C by D. See, if you cross multiply BC and AD, so you are going to get this step. So this is my final answer. So A by B is equal to C by D. In this way you have to solve this question. Let's go through here. Pause the video, just go through this part properly. Next question is of same pattern. It's totally same. You will just write ratio format into the fraction form, a plus b plus c plus d upon a plus b minus c minus d. In textbook there is some sign mistake, just take care in this sum. A minus b plus c minus d upon a minus b minus c plus d. You have to find a is to b is equal to c is to d. So first we will take by componendo dividendo directly. See reason I had written here, you can write that. I will just take a plus b plus c plus d plus a plus b minus c minus d. I have to fit within the screen. A plus b plus c plus d, then I am taking minus. because numerator already I wrote to the left, and now denominator. For denominator I will change sign, b plus c plus d. Now right side, a minus b plus c minus d plus denominator a minus b minus c plus d whole upon a minus b plus c minus d, first 4 term as it is. Now I am changing sign. See this is plus, this is minus, this sign affects everything. Oh. The term to the left of plus is numerator, term to the left of plus is denominator. Left में numerator है, right में it's denominator. So again I will change sign, a plus b plus c minus d. So cancelling whatever plus minus term is there, minus c plus d minus d, a and b will get cancelled here. Again here I can cancel c minus d plus d plus a minus b plus b. So what is left? 2a plus 2b upon 2c plus 2d. And on right side 2a minus 2b upon 2c minus 2d. Taking out 2 common, a plus b upon 2 bracket c plus d is equal to 2 common a minus b upon 2 c minus d. Let's cancel out 2 and 2. Now if you see, a plus b is numerator and c plus d is denominator. Left side and right side we have a minus b, c minus d. So if you take alternando, what I will get? I can swap these two terms. So I will get a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. Once you get this term, we will do componendo dividendo again. So let me do. I have a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. So now by componendo dividendo I can write a plus b plus a minus b upon a plus b, then minus, sign will change, plus b. C plus d plus c minus d, c plus d minus c plus d. So let's cancel out. B and B will get cancelled, A and A will get cancelled, D and D will get cancelled, C and C will get cancelled. So it's 2A upon 2B is equal to 2C upon 2D. Cancelling 2 and 2, you will get A by B is equal to C by D. Hence proved. Question 21. Here we have 16 a minus x upon a plus x whole cube is equal to a plus x into a minus x. If you see, this bracket and this bracket are the reciprocal of each other. If I send this whole term on other side, what it will happen? It will become reciprocal. So I will write 16 into this a plus x upon a minus x will remain as it is, and this term we are shifting on other side, that will become a plus x upon a minus x whole cube. So this is 16 is equal to 16 I can write as 2 cube 2 raised to 4, and this will become a plus x upon a minus x into a plus x upon a minus x. So I can write a plus x upon a minus x whole raised to 4. Now we will remove fourth root on both sides. So we will get a plus x upon a minus x is equal to 4. We want x is equal to a by 3. We have to prove that. So here also you can take plus minus. If I am taking plus minus, Fourth root में you can get plus minus, but here I will just take plus because I want plus a by 3. So now this is 4 upon 1. If I take componendo and dividendo, so a plus x plus a minus x, let's write without bracket. A plus x plus a minus x upon a plus x minus a minus minus plus x, that is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1. X and x will get cancelled, a and a will get cancelled. So a plus a is 2a upon 2x is equal to 5 by 4 plus 1. Okay, it's 2, sorry, it's not 4, it's 2. I have to erase all because 4th root of 16th is 2. It is 2. So this is 2 by 1. 2 plus 1, 2 minus 1. So that will give you 3 by 1. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So therefore I will get a by x is equal to 3 by 1. Cross multiplying you will get a is equal to 3x. So therefore x is equal to 3 upon 1. Oh sorry, what I am doing, a upon 3, I will get a upon 3. Now next question is very important question, very important. 22 and 23 both are of same type. It's very important question. So here we have x is equal to 6ab upon a plus b. You have to prove this is equal to this, means x plus 3a upon x minus 3a plus x plus 3b upon x minus 3b, that is equal to 2. You have to prove this. So what I will do, I cannot substitute this x value directly in this x. We cannot do, because here mostly question will be like, okay, using properties of proportion you have to solve this. So if you are putting this value directly, we are not using properties anywhere. So for that what we will do, board will not accept if you will just put x over here. So here we have to make a term such that we can use properties of proportion. So now what I will do, I will make this term. I will make this term first. So here I have to analyze the term. So x plus 3a, we have 3a and 3a over here. So what I will do, I will write x is equal to 6ab ko I can write as 3a into 2b, because first I will focus on this term upon a plus b. If I am shifting this 3 on the cross, because cross mein we have 1, so I can get x upon 3a is equal to 2b upon a plus b. This part I will get. Now I want x plus 3a upon x minus a. Looking at this term, we can easily say, okay, here we have to take componendo and dividendo. So taking componendo and dividendo, what I will get? X plus 3a upon x minus 3a is equal to 2b plus a plus b. 2b is the numerator and this part is the denominator. So I can write 2b. If I am writing minus, I have to change sign. So my first part I get as x plus 3a upon x minus 3a is equal to 2b. Let me write with other pen. This 2b plus b, that is 3b plus a. 2b minus b is b minus a. I got first result. Let it be first result. Now we got this. Now same thing from this part I will make second fraction. Second fraction के लिए what I need 3b. Same way I will write x is equal to 3b into 2a. This 6ab can be written as first part में we will write 3a into 2b and second part में we can write 3b into 2a whole upon a plus b. So 3b I can shift on other side. I will get x upon 3b is equal to 2a upon a plus b. Again by componendo dividendo I can write x plus 3b upon x minus 3b is equal to 2a plus b upon 2a minus a. If I am taking minus, I have to change sign. So now this will become x plus 3b upon x minus 3b is equal to 2a plus a is 3a plus b upon a minus b. Now we will add both left hand side. At the same time we can add both right hand side. These two will be added. This we will say as 2. Now adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. It's on next page. Let's add this blue circle with blue circle and red circle with red circle. So x plus 3b, it's 3a upon x minus 3a plus x plus 3b upon x minus 3b is equal to what I got on right side. Let me check. 3b plus a upon b minus a, and next part I got 3a plus b upon a minus b. Now if you have to convert this a minus b to b minus a, what I will do, I will take out minus sign common. This we did in trigonometry also. Okay, minus into plus will become minus, so I can write 3b plus a upon b minus a minus in between 3a plus b upon b minus a. Now denominator is common, so I will take b minus a common. 3b plus a minus 3a plus b. Open numerator. 3b plus a minus 3a minus b upon b minus a. So 3b minus b will become 2b and a minus 3a will become minus 2a upon b minus a. Taking out 2 common, you will get b minus a upon b minus a. Cancelling this, you will get 2. Here there was mistake, just make a note. Backside, let me check. It's done. Pause the video, go through it, do it by yourself. Next sum is totally same. Here we have p is equal to 4xy upon x plus y. We want p plus 2x. First fraction is p plus 2x upon p minus 2x plus p plus 2y upon p minus 2y is equal to 2. Here also answer is 2. It's the same pattern. So what I will write, first part I will write 2x into 2y. That will give you 4xy. So I will first focus on first fraction. 2x I can shift, p upon 2x is equal to 2y upon x plus y. Taking componendo dividendo, here you have to write by componendo dividendo. I cannot write full form. Here also you have to write, I will tell you where to write. So by componendo dividendo, we can write p plus 2x upon p minus 2x is equal to 2y plus x plus y upon 2y minus x minus y. If we are taking minus, we have to change sign. P plus 2x upon p minus 2x is equal to 2y plus y is 3y plus x upon y minus x. Now second part you can write below. This is the second part. Yes, this from here second part is starting. Again p from here only I will take. P is equal to 2x into 2y. So I can write now p upon 2y is equal to 2x upon x plus y. Okay, now again we will do componendo dividendo same. I will get p plus 2y upon p minus 2y. Here you have to write steps by componendo and dividendo is equal to 2x plus y upon 2x minus y. So what I will do, I will keep p plus 2y as it is and p minus 2y. 2x plus x is 3x plus y upon x minus y. Now we have to add both of them. See, here we have plus sign in between. So I will add this red circle with red circle, both left hand side and both right hand side. Green circle with green circle. So now I can say, adding 1 and 2, p plus 2x upon p minus 2x plus p plus 2y upon p minus 2y, that is red circle, that is equal to green circle mein we have 3y plus x upon y minus x plus 3x plus y upon x minus y. As we know, x minus y ko if I will change sign over here, I will get minus and denominator will become equal. Let's do that. So here I will write p plus 2x upon p minus 2x plus p plus 2y upon p minus 2y that is equal to 3y plus x upon y minus x minus 3x plus y upon y minus x. So this two I will keep as it is. Taking y minus x common, we can combine numerator. 3y minus y is 2y minus 2x upon y minus x. Taking out 2 common, y minus x upon y minus x. These two will get cancelled, so therefore I can write p plus 2x upon p minus 2x plus p plus 2y upon p minus 2y is equal to 2. This sum was very important. Just note down the method, because usually when this type of sum comes in prelim, so what student used to do, they just pick this p value and put over here and they can get 2, but that is wrong method. You won't get marks for it. This question is very important. It's based on identity question 24 and 25th. It's very important question. Here we have x cube plus 3x upon 3x square plus 1 is equal to 341 upon 91. We have to find x value is 11. So here, since terms are not same, but still we will do componendo dividendo because this forms an identity. You will learn more questions of this type of identity in board questions. So here we will do componendo dividendo, so that x cube plus 3x plus 3x square plus 1 upon x cube plus 3x minus 3x square minus 1, that is equal to 341 plus 91 upon 341 minus 91. This is componendo dividendo. Okay, hope you understood this. Now numerator is the identity of x plus 1 whole cube. Go through this. We had already discussed this identity before. This is x minus 1 whole cube. As you know, a plus b whole cube is, I had already explained in this exercise only, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. I am explaining again and again. Just take care. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. If we have minus, we can write minus everywhere. So here it will be minus. This is minus. This will become plus because minus minus is plus. So it's the same pattern. 341 plus 91, that is 432 upon 250. So let us cancel 125, 216. So I can get x plus 1 whole cube upon x minus 1 whole cube is equal to 216 upon 125. Now if you'll see, both are cube number, so taking cube root on both sides. x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 6 by 5. Now you cannot cross multiply because terms are same in numerator and denominator. So we'll take by componendo dividendo. X plus 1 plus x minus 1 whole upon x plus 1 minus x plus 1, that is equal to 6 plus 5 upon 6 minus 5. Let me write it down here. 1 and 1 will get cancelled, x and x will get cancelled. It's 2x upon 2. 6 plus 5 is 11, 6 minus 5 is 1, 2 and 2 is cancelled, so x is equal to 11. Now last sum of this exercise, it's of same type, cube identity. You can even get square identity, that we will do in board questions. Here we have a cube plus 3ab square upon 3a square b plus b cube, that is equal to x cube plus 3xy square upon 3x square y plus y cube. You have to get x by a is equal to y by b. Let's see. By componendo dividendo, we'll just use componendo dividendo here. A cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b plus b cube. A cube plus 3ab square minus 3a square b minus b cube. Right now we had discussed this identity. X cube plus 3xy square plus 3x square y plus y cube whole upon x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square y minus y cube. So now cancelling this, we cannot cancel here anything. So here I will get numerator, I will get a plus b whole cube. Denominator I can get a minus b whole cube is equal to x plus y whole cube upon x minus y whole cube. Taking cube root on both sides, I will get a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d, x plus y upon x minus y. Now again we have same terms in numerator denominator, so taking componendo dividendo, so a plus b plus a minus b upon a plus b minus a plus b is equal to x plus y plus x minus y upon x plus y minus x plus y. So b and b will get cancelled, a and a will get cancelled. We have 2a upon 2b is equal to 2x upon 2y. 2 cancel out. Let's see what we are getting. A by b is equal to x by y. So now we want x by a. So I have to swap these two by alternando. So I can write y upon b. This y comes here. X upon a. So therefore I will get, this is by alternando. You can write by alternando. So x upon a is equal to y upon b is the final answer. With this we had finished our chapters. Now next video we are going to start with board questions. Okay, before doing board questions you have to do exercise part properly. If you are unable to understand any concept, just give me a call. I will explain you using Zoom lecture also. Okay, just interact with me if any doubt.